Hello friends. In our last lesson, we learned lowest common multiple, where we solved some given numbers, finding their LCM using two methods, the multiple method and the factor method. So today we are going to be looking at highest common factor. And we are asked to find the HCF, which is the abbreviation for highest common factor of 12 and 18, 24 and 36, 28 and 30. So let's delve in. Now let's find the HCF of 12 and 18 using prime factor method. We draw out our line. We'll write the first number here, 12, the second number here, 18. Now I remember I told you that when you are solving LCM, you pick a number that can divide either of the numbers. Any of the numbers, any number that can divide, just work through. But when you're dealing with HCF, any number you pick must divide through the numbers you're given at the same time. At the same time. So let's think of a number, a prime number that can divide 12 and divide 18 at the same time. And looking at them, they are even numbers, which means 2 can go through. Picking 2, 2 divide 12 will give you 6. 2 divide 18 will give you 9. Now we have 6 and 9, and 6 is even number, 9 is odd number. Then you think of another number that can divide through at the same time, a prime number precisely, and we are picking 3. If we pick 3 to divide, 3 divide 6 will give you 2. 3 divide 9 will give you 3. Now we are left with two different prime numbers. The only thing that can divide them is themselves. So if 2 is being divided by a number, it should be 2. The same thing with 3. It's only 3 that can divide 3. So our operation stops here, which means our HCF equals the numbers you use in dividing through. You multiply it to get the HCF, which is 2 and 3. 2 times 3 will give you 6. So that's the HCF of 12 and 18. Now let's do number 2. We are looking for the HCF of 24 and 36. So you draw out your line. You have 24 here. You have 36 here. Looking at them, they are even numbers. And somebody will ask, how do you know that they are even numbers? The last digits of each of the number is an even number. Even numbers are numbers that end with 2, 4, 6, 8, and 0. And if you look at them, these numbers I called out ended the numbers. So we are going to be dividing through by 2, which is the smallest prime number that can divide. So picking 2, we have 2 divide 2, 1. 2 divide 4, 2. Did you see what I did? I didn't just bring out 2 places and start sharing. No, I divided them individually. But in a situation whereby you can't divide them individually, you can now combine and do your calculation. So 2 divide 3, 1, remainder 1. 2 divide 16 will give you 8. So you're having 12 and 18. And 12 and 18 are also even numbers, which means 2 can go through again. 2 divide 12, sorry for that. 2 divide 12 will give you 6. 2 divide 18 will give you 9. Now we are left with an even number and an odd number. You now figure out which other prime number can divide both of them at the same time. So we are picking 3. 3 divide 6 will give you 2. 3 divide 9 will give you 3. We are now left with 2 and 3, which are prime numbers. Nothing can divide through at the same time. Our operation ends here. So therefore, the HCF will give us 2 times 2 times 3. 2 times 2 times 3. Some can multiply individually or in groups. 2 times 2 is 4. 4 times 3 will give you 12. So our HCF for 24 and 36, the answer is 12. So friends, I always leave you with something to play with. So you're going to be looking for the HCF of 28 and 30. Calculate the HCF of 28 and 30. Drop your answer in the comment section. Have a great day, friends. Enjoy the class.